chemistry in medicine. Chemistry is a real important field in society and has contributed in so many ways to human life. Chemistry is really important because almost all diseases, injuries, and treatments require chemicals and chemical processes. The study of chemistry within and for medicine is extremely important because it helps us develop new medicines but at the same time learn about the ones that already exist. Next, I'm going to name some branches of chemistry that focus on medicine. Number 1 is biochemistry. Then, we have clinical chemistry, also known as clinical biochemistry or pure blood chemistry, is the study. Number 3 is physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is referred as the study of chemical processes but in physical terms. Last but not least, we have immunohistochemistry. These, among many others, help us every day in chemistry. Without these specific branches of chemistry, we will not have the knowledge and variety of medical treatments that we have today. Thank you. Now let's go with my partner Paulina that is going to talk about chemistry in food.
Hello, my name is Paulina and I'm going to talk about the application of chemistry in food. Most of us are unaware that chemistry takes a major role in the food industry. It analyzes the methods of canning and freezing, and it works in the improvement of the quality of the product, which means that it improves the scent, the flavor, and the freshness of the product. It also works in the creation of new products and in fat or sugar replacement products. And most importantly, it makes sure that our food is safe to eat, by making sure that it follows the standards of food safety. So basically, chemistry takes a major role in the food industry.
Thank you, Paulina. Well, chemistry in war. Chemical weapons are just toxic chemicals contained in a delivery system such as a bomb or an artillery shell. It is used to incapacitate, harm, or kill people. The activity of the chemical agents depends on its concentration. The main example is the World War I, also known as the chemistry war, because they fought with deadly gases across the battlefield. They released chlorine gas and killed thousands. After that, the League of Nations published a document where they banned chemical and biological warfare. This is very important because you can kill people and that's a bad thing. And chemistry, even though it is very useful, it also can be harmful. Now I'm going with Malu Gonzalez talking about global warming.
Hello guys, my name is Malu and I would like to talk about chemistry and global warming. But first of all, have you heard about global warming? Yes? Do you know what it is? Do you know what it represents? Okay, let's talk about that. Well, global warming is a rise in the average temperature of Earth's climate system. But how does chemistry contribute in global warming? Well, for example, many factories, especially the factories that produce chemicals, they damage our environment because they throw away many toxic substances. Also fertilizers, which are chemicals, they damage, first of all, our flora and also our environment and increase global warming. Some chemical changes in global warming are, for example, the sunspots, which are little spots in the sun that produce a hotter temperature here on Earth. Another chemical change are the greenhouse effect, and well, some greenhouse gases are compounds such as methane and carbon dioxide. Thank you for your attention, and this is all for today. I hope you...
Hello, my name is Ana Sofia Padilla Mendoza and I'm here with 3 possible solutions that may take to the end to the melting of the polar ice caps. First of all, the main reason that the polar ice caps are melting is because of the soot. The soot is made when we burn on fossil fuels, wood and coal. These particles go up straight to the atmosphere and then break down back to Earth in the form of rain and dust. The second main reason is the methane that the industries emit to the atmosphere. The third reason, it's the greenhouse effect. Okay, so here are the 3 possible solutions for each one of the main reasons. Okay, for the soot, soot is made when we burn on fossil fuels, so changing our cars to an electric car can be a really good possible solution. Even though we don't have enough money, we can do it. And it's better if we tell like many other people, like your friends, family, neighbors, to join to this project. Okay, the second solution, it will be, well, it's about the industry, so we cannot make like many things about it because we not control the industries, but we can make like an ecological group with all your neighbors, friends, family, etc., whoever you want, and send this idea to the government so they can talk to the industries and make eco-friendly programs or change the way they do the things. Okay, the third solution will be recycling, but I mean, you know, recycling is very simple, but if you do it like a lot of people and huge masses, you can really make a huge benefit to the earth and make our earth a better place to live. Okay, this is everything for this program. I hope you join us next week, and here are the announcements.
It is an application in our daily life. Yes, you can find chemistry in your food, in the hospital, in wars, and even you can find chemistry in our world and its problems. Yes, you can find chemistry in the global warming. That's why it is very important to know more about chemistry.
I think that chemistry is very important because it is applied in many other fields of science, and it is what allows the progress of humanity.
I think chemistry is really important because it's involved with biology and other sciences. Also, it helps the humanity be a better thing and also solve the social and health problems about it.
Almost all sciences are based on chemistry, so I will say that all effects, negative or positive, have their origin in chemistry.
Global warming is a huge problem, and we need to stop it now. We can stop it right now with the help of chemistry, because we can create more chemicals eco-friendly and stop this problem, because this is affecting us, and this is affecting animals, and this is affecting all the living things in this world. It's our world, and we need to take care of it. Let's act with responsibility and use chemistry as a friend in this phenomenon. Thank you for your